Hello, I'm Christiane Amanpour. I'm Chief International Anchor at CNN, and I host CNN International's nightly interview program called Amanpour. I'm also the host of Amanpour and Company on PBS. And I am thrilled that you're interested in MediaWise for Seniors, separating fact from fiction online, as bad actors have harnessed online misinformation to sow chaos around the world and, of course, in the United States as well. It is imperative to be able to tell what is real and what is fake on the internet. This class is for anyone aged 50 or older. In it, you'll learn how professional fact-checkers navigate the internet, why and how misinformation spreads, and how to talk to family members who may have shared a false story. We are so happy that you are so interested.
Hi, I'm Joan Lunden. I'm a journalist. You may remember me best as host of Good Morning America for almost 2 decades. And you should also know, though, that I am a passionate advocate for seniors. And that's why I'm so excited that you're interested in this course. As Christiane said, you are going to learn a lot about spotting misinformation. And that's really important for people in our age group. Seniors happen to be much more civic-minded. In fact, we're the most likely to vote among all demographics. And we also tend to have more free time. However, most of us have less experience with the ever-changing world of technology, and that can make us a target. Now, I know you're already a good citizen, but this course is going to ensure that you're an even better digital citizen. You'll find out why you see what you see on your social media newsfeed and how to get out of what they call your filter bubble, and a really cool trick called a reverse image search. So I hope you're ready to learn.